And so here you can see as I am tightening the upper bolts of the bracket. Keep in mind that your machine, when you have a belt that is closer to the size, it will want to pull the motor backwards. When I say backwards, I mean it will want to tilt it toward the back. And so you want to make sure you hold some pressure here as you're tightening those bolts. So let's see how I did. Push in, right? Now I can also try the other side. I should be able to come in 1/4 of an inch, and it looks like it may be just right, you know, the Goldilocks feel. And I will go back and double check it when I have finally gotten the machine gone through. And of course I'm going to be testing its stitching, and I'll actually do a quick stitch test in another video before I even go through the machine, because I want to make sure that that original issue, the one that I have been working on as the sun has gone down, I want to make sure that that issue has now been solved. So this is the way that you reinstall a belt, in this case a new belt, a replacement belt, into the Necchi Supernova Ultra, as well as some of the other Supernova models. Just keep in mind that when you're doing it, you want to be sure that you have this large vertical piece out of your way, and be patient, because getting to these bolts is doable. I just did it, but it's really it's not as straightforward as as convenient as some of the other vintage machines are, because of where their motors are located. But I just wanted you to see that it can be done. It's not, you know, technically hard. It's just, you know, maybe if you have smaller hands than I do, you can get in there more easily. But I appreciate all of you watching as I move forward with, it looks like this belt was going to work fine, and I'm not going to need to order the belt online. That will allow me to get the machine ready for its owner a lot sooner. And I hope that this was helpful for all of you. And I do suggest when you are working on your machine, you may have to adjust the light, because sometimes when I'm working on anything, sewing machines or otherwise, if the light is the sun's going down, I don't always pay attention. And so I wanted to make sure you do not need to work with a low level of light. So anyway, thank you all for watching and following along as we try to bring back the Necchi Supernova Ultra, because we want its sewing performance to match its good looks. Take care, everyone, and we will see you next time.